picking up where I left off from. Where we were last was we just put the wheel bearing assembly back in place. Now we're going to go ahead and just put the nuts back in place to hold it on. So gonna go ahead and just screw those in. Remember, right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. That 15 I told you about to tighten it up. Alright, and at this point you can go ahead and put your drum back on. That just goes right back into place like that, like so. Nothing complicated about that, and at that point that's pretty much it. From this point on, you just put your tire back on, and I don't think I have to show you that part. If you got the tire off, to get to this point you got to take it off, so yeah, you should be good. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think of this video, and just let me know. That's pretty much it though. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, and again, this is a 2003 Saturn Ion. It's overall just to show you how to change out a wheel bearing assembly, but for this particular model, you know, it's a 2003 Saturn Ion, so I will put that in that should be in the title of the video. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye.